Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to transfer my nail from this to this. Isn't this beautiful? I hope you are gonna love this video. So first I am going to start of course with nail removing pad, and it's basically a nail removing pad. You don't need to use cotton pad and remover separately, and it's really very inexpensive. It cost only 30 rupees and it has 30 nail removing pad, and it's very easy to use. And I am going to remove my from both the left and right fingers nail. And now next move on to nail cutting. And you might be think that my nails are so big, why I am cutting? Because nail cutting is very important. It's like your hair trimming, hair trimming is very important for your hair. That's like nail cutting is very important, and that's why मेरी जो nail है वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से बहुत जल्दी grow भी होता है. And you can also grow your nails very fast. I'm going to share how you can grow your nails very quickly. So I'm going to share everything. Now it's time for cleanup, and the regular basis cleanup is very important because like nails के अंदर बहुत सारा germs होता है. You need to clean that. Also it helps to stimulates the blood circulation, and I'm going to repeat it like for my right hands too. And next move on to filing part. You know it's very important, and मैंने right hand का nail नहीं cut किया है, फिर भी I will file that because filing helps to grow your nails. And this step is very important. People generally don't do this, but I feel like it's one of the most important thing. It's nail scrubbing, and I am basically using a sugar lip scrub. You can use anything, even you can use body scrub too. And if you don't have anything, you can use even normal sugar dust also. And I am focusing more over the roots of the nails basically, and also the nails. And this process actually helps to remove the dead skin and give you like a beautiful shiny nails, जो कि बार बार nail paint पहनने से वो nails का जो original shine है वो चला जाता है. And within a second you can see that कि my nails are glowing, and it's natural glow. It's not something like nail paint or anything. It's basically natural glow. You have to scrub your nails a lot, and you can try this like once in a week or twice in a week, and look at my nails. Isn't this glowing? So that's what I was talking about. And now I'm going to move on to nail prepping. So for that I'm using this Hygiva vegetable glycerin. You can use any vegetable glycerin. Do not use normal glycerin. Try to use vegetable glycerin. It's beautiful for your nails. It helps to grow your nails so freaking fast, and also it has a moisturizing property which actually helps your like cuticles very soft. It actually helps to make your cuticles very soft. And also you need to do little bit of yoga. It helps to stimulate the blood circle, and that is actually my boat mark. And yeah, you need to do this at least once in a day, and I try to do it at least for 30 minutes every night before going to bed. And yeah, my nails are now prepped, and I'm going to leave my nails like this, like no painting and all, for at least 2 to 3 days, because your nails need to breathe. So yeah, you need to give at least 2 to 3 gap, and it's almost after 1 week, and look at my nails. It's growing back, and I think ये पहले से भी ज़्यादा grow हो चुका है. And first I am going to start with this nail gel, or you can say the top coat or anything, bottom coat or anything. It's basically a nail transfer gel. So first I am going to use it on all over my nails. And left hand का ही मैं इस्तेमाल करूँगी, right hand पे ये मैं नहीं इस्तेमाल करूँगी. And I am just doing a 1 coat. You don't need to do like 2 to 3 coat. And trust me guys, this particularly this nail paint is very inexpensive, and also it's really good. I can't remember the brand, but don't worry, I'm going to link down. I will try to find and link down. So yeah, now I'm actually painting it, and I'm going to leave it to dry. And I don't have anything like that UV rays and all that thing. I really don't have, and you don't need actually. So first उसके बाद I'm actually using this L18 nail paint, and this is in the shade 150. And oh my god, L18 nail paints are so good. And now look at this. I'm using the tip of the brush, and I'm actually drawing this curve. And उसके बाद I'm filling the outer portion, and you can see that कि ये half नहीं है. It has like a beautiful curve in it. And this is actually a one coat. I am not going to repeat the two coat right now, it needs to dry. And same thing I am going to repeat every nail spray, but I am choosing like a different color for every nail. It's gonna look very pretty. And I am actually trying to use moreover like pastel colors. If you don't have pastel colors, you can use whatever color you have, but try to use 5 different colors, it will look beautiful. And for my middle finger I am using this beautiful pastel blue shade, and it's from Nika. And that pastel purple color, basically the lavender one, is also from Nika. They are same range, and these are really inexpensive. And for the ring finger I am using this nail shade, and this is basically a peach color, and which is actually belongs to the pastel orange one, and it's from Swiss Beauty, but the pigmentation it's little less, you can literally see my nails. And for my pinky finger I am using this beautiful kiwi shade, which is a pastel green color, and it's also from Nika. And now what I am going to do is right hand पे मैं same color repeat करूँगी same finger पे, but I am going to coat my full nails. I am not going to do that designing thing, and it's gonna look really very pretty, क्योंकि राइट हैंड का जो नेल्स है मेरा वो छोटा है, एंड आई पर्पसली डू दिस. एंड इन द मीन टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट लाइक जो कलर में इस्तेमाल किए थे लेफ्ट हैंड पे, वही कलर में रिपीट करूँगी. सेकेंड कोट करूँगी बेसिकली दिस टाइम, क्योंकि फर्स्ट वाला कोट सूख गया है. एंड व्हाट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट इज़ दैट कि राइट हैंड पे मैं खाना खाती हूँ, इसलिए मैं राइट हैंड का नेल्स कभी भी लॉन्ग नहीं रखती हूँ. दैट्स वाई मैं राइट हैंड पे सिर्फ सॉलिड कलर करूँगी. एंड सेकेंड कोट करने के बाद इट्स लुकिंग रियली गुड, एंड वो भी सूख चुका है सेकेंड कोट. सो आई एम लाइक डूइंग द टॉप कोट, एंड लुक एट दिस. नाउ लुक एट दिस, it is looking so good. And trust me guys, it's gonna stay for like at least 1 week, because it's of course it's not something gel paint or acrylic nail. So ये of course ये बहुत जल्दी उठ जाएगा, but not like less than 1 week. Trust me, because it's been a week now and I have the nail paint on my nails still now. And yeah, you have to, and also you have to use custard oil every night before going to sleep. थोड़ा सा custard oil अपनी nails पे इस्तेमाल करो. You can even use it that on eyelash and eyebrows too. And trust me, custard oil is really very important for your nails. It actually gives the strength, because sometimes I get message that you have like big nails, so how can you maintain that? Because thankfully and touch wood मेरा nails जो है वो break नहीं होता है, which is the most important thing. क्योंकि जनरली अगर आपका बहुत बिग नेल है, सो ये टेंडेंसी होता है कि वो नेल बहुत जल्दी टूट जाता है. बट थैंकफुली मेरे साथ ये कभी भी नहीं हुआ है आज तक, बिकॉज फॉर द custard oil and the vegetable glycerin, and also for the scrubbing, I think this step actually helped me a lot. And yeah, that's it, and I am obsessing over to this nail paint and nail design. Hopefully you have enjoyed this too, and look at my right hand, it's actually complementing each other, and hopefully you have loved this. If you did, don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe because it's free. So see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, stay positive, and also stay safe. Bye bye you guys.